Today they set some of the drawers in and they covered where the counters will be going, because I think that they were doing the tape and floating in preparation for the painting. We're preparing for the sink, which is going to go there. They're working on the plumbing. We're selecting a farmhouse sink. We're trying to find a double sink. We're actually, there was no dishwasher in our kitchen. There was a space for it, but there wasn't one in place. And Jason and I both agreed not to have a dishwasher. These are the inside of the cabinets. Going forward, because we've really been trying to simplify, even though this is a big kitchen, but in everything we are doing, we're trying to just exercise simplicity and awareness of the use of water, and it's Jason and me most of the time, and so we don't have a lot of dishes. I want to show you the inside of the cabinets. They're sealed, and it's natural wood, or they're not actually sealed, I'm sorry. That's just the wood. So we don't have to put anything in there. And we're not going to. We can just lay everything straight in, which I love, because I don't like putting liner paper in or other materials, because I think it gets dirty and it's easier just to wipe it out if you need to clean it out. And then this is walking around the side, and they sheetrocked this side. And so painting is coming next. Today we selected the countertops. They're gonna be a quartz material, and that company is coming tomorrow to do measurements. Coming along. And then pretty quickly we'll be doing the floors. We were gonna try to salvage the floors. These are the originals, but there were a lot of patches to do, and so we are going to lay another type of wood floor on top of this. We're going to be looking at Lowe's, and there are Chloe and Jet enjoying their evening. But the table is going to go, and we're going to have this additional space also, because we are going to use the island, which is going to have a counter over this as our table, with a chair on each side, and then probably on the end we're going to be looking for 4 bar stools.